January 27th, 2021 vocabulary. All right, so we're going to place the X over the puzzle piece that is not an integer. So remember our little sneak peek yesterday of integers. An integer is either positive or negative, and it is a whole number. It is not a decimal. It's not a fraction. So let's see. This first one, negative 23. That is a negative. It's not a decimal. It's not a fraction. So that is an integer. 200, that is an integer. 18, that is an integer. Negative 403, that's an integer. What is this? We've got a fraction. It is not a fraction, so we're going to put that X right over that fraction because that is not an integer. And that's it for our vocab. Great job.